Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program Honda Pilot Key, easy method. Start by sitting in the driver's seat with all doors closed, the working key and the unprogrammed key ready. Turn the ignition to accessory, then back to OFF 3 times ending in accessory. Insert the working key and turn to on, then remove it and quickly insert the unprogrammed key and turn to on to complete programming confirmation by door lock cycle. Okay, now check for common issues and alternatives if programming fails. Verify the battery in both keys is charged and the doors remain closed during the sequence. Try repeating the ignition steps up to 3 times, waiting 5 seconds between attempts. If locks do not cycle, consult a dealer or locksmith for diagnostic scan or advanced programming tools. Stay patient and methodical. Small timing differences often make the difference. You can pause and replay these steps as needed. This is a quick ad break, so please subscribe and like if you are finding this video helpful. Quick recommendation. The book The Simple Path to Wealth can change how you think about money, and it pairs oddly well with saving for car repairs or aftermarket keys. Please check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Next, I'll cover remote fob syncing and safety precautions when programming keys. Begin by ensuring vehicle battery is stable and parking brake is set, avoiding power interruptions during programming. If the fob requires separate synchronization, press and hold the lock and unlock buttons together for 15 seconds or follow keyless entry programming steps found in the owner's manual. Keep spare keys stored safely and label them to prevent confusion later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.